In this video, I'll show you how to customize your connected calendar settings in Hubspot so you can manage meetings and tasks more efficiently. First, log into your Hubspot account and go to your homepage. From there, click the gear icon in the top corner to open your settings. Once you're inside the settings panel, the General section will open by default. From the left menu, click on Calendar. Here, you'll see the calendar you currently have connected. Make sure to turn on the Calendar Sync option so your meetings and tasks stay updated between Hubspot and your calendar. Keep in mind that Calendar Sync is available for paid users with Sales Hub or Service Hub. Next, connect your calendar by clicking the Connect option and selecting the calendar provider you want to use. After choosing your calendar, save your changes to apply the settings. You can also customize your meeting scheduling pages. Go back to the Calendar tab and open the Availability or Meeting Schedule Pages section. Choose the calendar you want to use for availability, then save your settings. After that, customize your scheduling page URL and default meeting link by adding your preferred meeting name and URL. This makes it easier to share your booking link with clients or teammates. Once everything is set up, you can start using your Hubspot calendar to schedule meetings, manage availability, and stay organized all in one place. Thanks for watching. Check the description for useful resources, and I'll see you in the next video.